Hi, Keo. We're at your friend's birthday party. Look at Ariel. Ooh. Ooh, look at the decor. Yeah, Ariel's beautiful. Look what they have. They have their Ariel princess plate. Ooh, and the napkins. And they got some really cool stickers here. Well, they're not stickers, but little flipping paper coin thing. Okay, that's pretty. You flip it. It's the crab guy. Isn't that awesome? No, is he a crab? I think he is a crab, not a lobster. Okay. And look at this pretty princess crown. See? It's a princess crown. Oh, and they have their pretty Ariel cups. Pretty. Cute. Cute is crazy about Ariel. He's like obsessed with Ariel. Isn't that pretty? No, you can't touch it yet. Put it back. I told you guys not to touch. You could take it later at the end. Don't touch it. Oh, look, they have more. They have Princess Ariel right here. Pretty. And then Flounder. It's cute. You guys did a great job. Whoever planned out and bought everything. Look at this. Oh, we forgot this one. Here's the crab guy. This is really nice, guys. Look. Hugh, you see him?
Yeah.
You see the crab? Okay. Ooh, look at the fish. Look at the flounder fish.
Yeah, it is one.
This is really nice, guys.
I like it, Ariel.
Look at Ariel. So pretty. See? Every time you turn an angle. That is so awesome. We better videotape before it gets destroyed. Let me zoom up more. That is so pretty. I'm surprised that this is the Ariel theme because Keo is obsessed with Ariel. Right, Keo? Keo loves Ariel. Angelina, having fun?
Yeah.
Cool.